Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Kia Rio engine. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before beginning, as a hot engine can cause cleaners to evaporate too quickly or even damage components. Next, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Then, carefully cover any sensitive electrical parts, like the alternator and fuse box, with plastic bags. Finally, remove any large debris or leaves from the engine bay. Now, let's tackle the grime. Begin by applying a high-quality automotive degreaser evenly across the engine bay, focusing on greasy areas. Let the degreaser sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the dirt effectively. Use a soft bristled brush to gently scrub away any stubborn buildup. Remember to work carefully around hoses and wires. Finally, rinse the degreaser off using a low-pressure water stream, avoiding direct spray on electrical components. After rinsing, it's time to dry and protect. Use compressed air or clean microfiber towels to thoroughly dry all surfaces, especially around electrical connections. Once dry, apply an engine dressing or protectant to all plastic and rubber components. This will restore their shine and help prevent cracking. Gently wipe down any painted areas and hoses to remove water spots. Finally, once you are certain everything is completely dry, reconnect the negative battery terminal. To keep your Kia Rio engine looking great, regular maintenance is key. Aim for a light cleaning every 3 to 6 months to prevent heavy buildup. Always keep an eye out for any fluid leaks and address them quickly to avoid further issues. Regularly inspect your battery terminals, ensuring they are clean and free from corrosion. Also, take a moment to check your hoses and belts for any signs of wear or cracking during your routine vehicle inspections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.